Assalamu alaikum Moroccan family. Today we are going to prepare no fry chapli kebabs that are juicy and flavorful. You are going to love them. So without further wait, let's get started. To start with, adding 500 grams of minced meat with fat in a bowl, half cup of chopped onion, 1/4 cup of chopped tomatoes, 1 tablespoon of chopped green chilies, 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 2 tablespoons of flour, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, and 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. Mix everything well until fully combined. Don't forget to subscribe us on YouTube and leave a comment with your thoughts and ideas. Once it's well combined, we'll add 1 egg, we'll mix it again, and then we'll keep in the fridge for at least 4 hours. After 4 hours, we will make kebabs of equal sizes. Once the kebabs are ready, take a fry pan, grease it lightly with oil and heat it on medium flame. Place the kebabs on the hot pan and cook on low flame. Flip the kebabs occasionally and press them gently after flipping to ensure even cooking. If you like our recipe, hit the like button, leave a comment, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media for more updates. Happy cooking, enjoy your treat, and see you next time.